Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to create and connect to a MySQL database with Amazon RDS. Let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal, and in this video we will learn how to create an environment to run the MySQL database. Well, we will call this environment an instance. We will connect to the database and delete the DB instance. We will do this using Amazon RDS. Let me show you. You can type in RDS here under services. It's manage relational database services. And we'll try to use the free tier eligible services for this session. Log on to the Amazon console and look for the RDS services like I did. Database. Now, step one would be to create a MySQL DB instance. So in this step, we will use Amazon RDS to create a MySQL DB instance with dbt2 micro DB instance class, which would have a 20 GB of storage and automated backups enabled with a retention period of 1 day. So when you would go to the Amazon console, select the region. By default, my region is selected as Oregon. Let me take it to Northern Virginia. It does not make a difference if one of the services is not available in a particular region. You will get a notification on the console itself about that service availability in that region. So it's the default message. They're kidding. Do not have anything here. Amazon RDS makes it easy and scale up relational database services. I click on create a database. Now we'll have the options to select the engine here. Let me do it for MySQL. Scroll down. Let's see for which free tier is available. You will now configure your DB instance. Then under the license model, come down. Look for the free tier template section. You can select the version whatever you want to. I set it to default 5.7.22. Settings would be it is the DB database identifier. Type a name for the DB instance that is unique for your account. You can type in test RDS MySQL. Now it comes to credential settings. It is the master username. It is the username that you will use to log into your DB instance. Type in admin. Master password, you can type in admin, whatever you want. I'm just doing it for the video. You have to type in. Okay, I type in my name. Under the DB instance size, go for dbt2 micro, which is the free class. Storage would be general purpose SSD. Allocated storage would be 20 gigs. We can scale up to maximum of 16 TB, but that will cost you. And you can select enable storage auto scaling. If your workload is unpredictable, you would enable storage auto scaling to enable RDS to automatically scale up your storage when needed. This option does not apply to this video because it's for the lab. You can uncheck the box. Availability, durability, and if you will go under the connections tab, I can easiest my default to VPC under this location, and you can select for the database authentication, additional configuration, monthly cost, and choose existing, publicly available. You can say Amazon EC2 instance and devices outside the VPC can connect to your database. Just choose existing. My default availability zone, database port is 3306. Additional configuration if you want to do it. initial database name. You can type in test test RDS database like now. Parameter group, option group. So the parameter group that defines the configuration settings you want to apply to this DB instance. I'm going with default. I don't have any preference. Click on create database. Get the message here. It says creating. It looks like my database has been created. It's backing up now. Click on here. You can check the configuration here. Endpoint. This is the endpoint that can be connected on port 3306. And this is the default security group that was created. If you would have a look at it, it will take you to the EC2 windows because security groups are available there. It is the security group. If you will check the inbound rule, it says all traffic. So if I go back, and I'm also installing MySQL Workbench to access the MySQL. So if you go to the MySQL community downloads, you have to download MySQL Workbench depending upon the operating system you're on. And if you don't wish to sign up, just click on no thanks, just start my download, and you will have that downloaded. Installing MySQL Workbench here. Complete. Install it. I'll access it when it is done. My installation is done. I'm launching the Workbench now. Welcome to my MySQL Workbench. Click on database. Click on connect to database. Store connection, deny connection model, TCP IP. Host name. We'll pick up the host name from our settings. Here it is. I click on the configuration instance class, connectivity and security. Copy paste it. It's the IP as well. Username was admin. Password, let's see. If everything goes fine, this is how you connect to your MySQL RDS instance that you create in Amazon through MySQL Workbench. Cannot connect the server at this, but see, this is your server status. This is your client connections. So there is nothing in here. Users and privileges, you can do it here. And that is how you can manage your RDS MySQL instance on Amazon through MySQL Workbench. So I hope you liked this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Azra Cloud Chef. I'll mention the link in the description of this video. If you have any feedback, any queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.